Today I'm going to show you how to cancel your Xbox Game Pass subscription, and it's actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is go to this website, which is account.xbox.com, and there will be a link in the description. Once you're on this website, you want to go ahead and sign into your correct account. And once you've signed into your account, you want to go ahead and click on your icon in the top right hand corner, and you want to go ahead and click on My Microsoft Account. So once the next web page has loaded, it should look something like this. And you want to go ahead and find where it says subscriptions and go ahead and click on it. So on the next web page, it should look something like this. And you want to go ahead and find where it says Xbox Game Pass, and you want to go ahead and click on Manage just underneath it. Once you are on the Manage page, it should show you all of the information about that subscription. So if you want to go ahead and cancel it, you want to go ahead and click on Cancel. However, you can just turn off recurring billing if you don't want to cancel your subscription. In this case, we're going to click on Cancel. Now it's going to come up with this subscription box. Now all it's saying is that if you do decide to cancel your subscription, the service itself is not actually going to stop until the next billing date, so you've got until then to reactivate your account if you want to. So just go ahead and click on Confirm Cancellation. And here it's just confirming that your Xbox Game Pass subscription has been cancelled, and the service is not actually going to stop again until your next billing date. If you want to go ahead and reactivate the subscription, just go ahead and click on Turn on Reoccurring Billing. And that is all you need to do to cancel your Xbox Game Pass subscription. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. You can support the channel by donating a coffee with the link below. Thank you for watching and have a good day.